Hey there! Experiencing issues with your Google TV streamer volume? Don't worry, you're not alone. This week, I've got a detailed guide on how to fix volume in Google TV Streamer, ensuring you can fully enjoy your favorite shows and movies without a hitch. Step 1. Check basic connection. First things first, let's examine the basic connections. Ensure that all cables are securely connected. Start with your HDMI and power cords. Unplug them, wait a few seconds, and then plug them back in. This simple reset can often resolve minor glitches and connectivity issues. Step 2. Adjust TV volume settings. Next, focus on your TV's volume settings. Grab your remote and navigate to your TV's audio settings. Make sure the TV's volume isn't muted or turned way down. Try increasing the volume using both your TV remote and the Google TV remote. Sometimes remotes may not be correctly synced, and verifying both can point out simple oversight. Step 3. Inspect Google TV audio settings. If the problem persists, it's time to dive into the Google TV settings. Access the Google TV home screen and go to Settings. From there, choose Display and Sound and then Audio Output. Ensure that the correct audio output option like HDMI is selected. Different setups might require different configurations, so experiment with the options available to find the best one for your system. Step 4. Reboot the system. Technology can be finicky, and a good old reboot might just do the trick. Power down your Google TV by disconnecting its power source for about 10 seconds, then reconnect it. This restart can solve temporary software issues that affect volume control. While you're at it, consider restarting your TV as well to refresh all systems. Step 5. Update software. Outdated software might be responsible for volume woes. To ensure your Google TV is up to date, head over to Settings, select System, and then About. Choose System Update and follow the prompts to install any available updates. Keeping your software current not only fixes bugs, but improves overall performance. Step 6. Examine external audio devices. If your setup includes external audio devices, check those next, be it a soundbar, speaker system, or headphones. Make sure they are powered on, connected properly, and not muted. Test these devices with other gadgets to confirm they are working correctly. If they function elsewhere, revisit your Google TV's audio settings for any missed configuration. Step 7. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, a factory reset may resolve stubborn issues. Be warned, this step will erase all user data, returning your Google TV to its original settings. To proceed, go to Settings, select System followed by Reset and Factory Reset. Follow the instructions to complete the reset. Once done, reconfigure your Google TV from scratch and recheck them. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to fix volume in Google TV Streamer. Whether it's a minor issue with connections or something more complex in the settings, these steps are designed to cover all bases. Remember, resolving tech problems often requires a bit of patience and exploration. Before you jump to conclusions about hardware malfunctions, give these troubleshooting tips a try. You'll be back to streaming your favorite content without volume interruptions in no time. Thanks for tuning in and happy viewing.